Hi, my name is Andy, and today I'm going to pitch a brilliant plan on how to make a better and healthier California. Now, I've had a chance to meet with one of the Calfresh representatives at the Northeast Valley Hospital. I am highly impressed in the intuitive program objective to put a healthy, nutritious food on the table of California. Now sit back and relax and please enjoy my presentations. To recap about me, I have had over 10 years of experience in sushi and Thai cuisine, from being a chef myself to being a partner of the restaurant owner back in Florida. I've recently made my way from South Beach, Miami to the great city of Los Angeles during the COVID time and decided to invest in higher educations. And just recently graduated from the Master in the Business program from Cal State University. And my passion is to being a great force in contributing a good deed back to the City of Angels. Now, that's me on the left, and as a catering to my friends and family as my hobby. And on the right side of the screen is my website in the progress. Now feel free to visit and leave some comments there. Next, I've been a sushi chef for over 10 years, and here's some fun fact about sushi. It is an awesome source of protein, carbohydrate, mineral, and fibers. Now, most importantly, sushi tastes great as its look. It is the fun activity to cook as well. And with my creativity and my great resource from Calfresh, we can definitely bring a low-cost, healthy Japanese menu to Calfresh member to do it themselves in the comfort of their own homes. Here's some sample of my portfolio here. And as I mentioned, sushi is very in trend and it looks great, don't you think? Now, the infamous Thai food. I probably don't have to mention how popular it is for Thai food. Well, it's consisting of wide range of flavor. Authentic Thai cuisine combines many different ingredients to create a unique combination. Now, the fun fact about Thai food is that it has more than 365 dishes. In another word, you can practically have a different type of Thai dishes every single day for the whole calendar year. It tastes great, rich in nutrients, and some of the ingredients are turmeric, basil, ginger, lemongrass, just to name a few. And with my experience, I can definitely generate a great menu for Calfresh member and family to enjoy. Now, with the high food price inflations, I believe that I can be a great force to help shape a better, healthier California. Now, please feel free to contact me directly to my cell or simply just reply to this email. Thank you very much for listening to my pitch. Hoping to work with you soon. Remember, together we can make a better, healthier California. Thank you very much.